come and take a walk with me, explore my little village. We're going to go around the block and see what kind of nature's out. But first, smash on that subscribe board, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up, share me to social media. Don't forget about the giveaways. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. Must be subscribed, must be U.S. residents. If you're new, you must comment down below. All the information's down below. When we get 20 more subscribers, we're going to issue out 1 5 items price pack from the Dollar Tree. Same rules apply. I am walking around this morning. I have on a spring jacket, so I'm really excited. This is behind my house. It's a terrain where we get all kinds of different wild animal, from anything from coyote to bear to deer. And we're going to go into the backwoods from my neighbor's yard because he allows me to. I'm going to take some pictures of the fog this morning. I absolutely love fog. I'm in my neighbor's yard. Beautiful woods behind him. Blooms really nicely, changes colors nicely in the fall. And there used to be a den over here for the groundhog, but I think the neighbors flattened it so he would move out. Down at the bottom of the hill with the trees that are down, groundhog burrow under there. I am going to go see who's over getting peanuts that I put down. I saw one of my neighbors and chatted for a minute. The dog next door is loud in their own house too. The high-pitched bark. That would drive me nuts. I love dogs, but I like huskies and German shepherds and golden retrievers. Not little dogs. I see a squirrel. He hears me. Grabbing some breakfast. I'm going to have to sweep that up today. They made a mess, and I hear the cardinal. I just saw a cardinal, but he flew off. I love taking a picture of this barn. It used to be red, and they painted it blue. I don't know why. It's still really nice and rustic looking. I'm going to go down a wooden path to visit a barn here. I always photograph it. All kinds of birds this morning, including woodpeckers. Sometimes there's deer back here. I startled one once. You see snake, which I don't care about. They're gardener. It's springtime, so I'm going to be careful. Watching out for all the vines. This picture, when it was covered in sugar snow, was on the news. The whole woods look beautiful. There's the barn. I'm going to photograph it because it's foggy. You can hear the woodpecker in the background. I guarantee there's an eagle or a hawk nearby because the blue jay are creating quite a ruckus. Looking to see if there's any bunny out. I saw a bunny yesterday. I didn't have my camera. I'm going to go over on the sidewalk here. Show you the front of the barn. going around the block here. I'm going to head back towards the house and see if I can get one blue jay shot. I might put out some more peanuts. There are no crocus out here yet. There are in other parts of New York. It's usually one of the first flowers of the spring, as well as tulip and lily. We get all those flowers here. The crocus are usually in the front part of the yard at my neighbor's house. They don't have anything growing yet to attract the bunny, other than grass. I'm gonna head back. I'm at the end of this street. It faces it. I've got a picture of Robin. I'll see how well it came out. It didn't look blurry, but when I crop it a little so you can see him because of the fog, it may be blurry. So I'll see when I process my film onto my phone. I still see film. There's bunny in this yard occasionally when it's a little warmer out. There was a bear sighting in the village, and we get him from time to time. There's a cat out on the steps. Sometimes he likes to follow me. The fog's starting to lift. There's some really nice barns up this street. It's a little dead end. I have a photography page, Suzanne Scene Photography, on Facebook. If interested, I'll make sure I post a little word that goes across the screen, and then go into my description box. There's a link there. That's the house. Down at the end, I'm on the top floor. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and walking around my neighborhood. Got some great pictures, which I'll share within this video for your enjoyment. We also have that Facebook page, Suzanne Scene Photography. That information's down below. Just click on the link and it'll jump right on over and give it a like. Before we go, don't forget to smash on that subscribe word, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget about the big giveaways. Thank you for watching.